So index form of 8 is what?
Index form of 8 is what? 2 raised to power 2. Because 2 times 2, I mean 2 to the power 3, sorry. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8.
8,
That's 2
thank
raised to
you.
power 3. You bracket it
2 over 3, okay, thank you.
times
Index form of 27.
index form of 27. Who can tell me? Who can tell me the index form of 27?
Oh yeah, now.
Thank you.
Okay.
You bracket it, that's minus 1 over 3.
God bless you.
Once it's here, you put it back here.
Okay, thank you.
Over index form of 64. Tell me.
That's
2 raised to
4,
power
no,
6.
4 raised to power 4 raised to power 3 or 2 raised to power 6. 4 raised to power 3, okay.
You know this and this are the same thing. So you are going to cut both of them.
Okay.
This and this are also the same thing. You cut it. This and this are also the same thing. Cut it. And
Okay. Equal to 2 raised to power 2, okay, thank you. Raised to power minus 1, okay. Okay.
now I wrote 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 means 2 times 2. 2 in 2 places. 2 times 2 is 4.
Okay.
And the 4 here is 4 raised to power 1. 4 times 1
4.
is going to give us 4. 4 times 2 times 2, 4.
Okay.
So this both of them are the same thing.
Okay.
The meaning answer is
2 raised to power minus 1.
2 raised to power minus 1. Anything raised to power minus 1 is equals to 1 over 3.